By the time I sat down to research Modern Roselle, I'd already found half a dozen separate scam or legit videos from different reviewers asking the exact same question about Modern Roselle.com. And that volume of independent scrutiny is itself worth noting. Even before getting into specifics, Modern Roselle presents itself as an online clothing and fashion store, and the sheer number of people publicly trying to figure out whether it's trustworthy suggests real uncertainty rather than settled consensus in either direction. Here's where I have to be honest about the limits of what I could confirm. I wasn't able to independently pull hard, verifiable details like the site's domain registration date or an aggregated third-party rating from a platform like Trustpilot specifically for this store. And I'm not going to present a number I can't back up. What I can say is that newer fashion dropshipping stores in this general category, the kind that show up through social media ads, with steep discounts on trendy pieces, have shown a recurring pattern elsewhere. Young domains, limited or missing business contact details, and customer complaints clustered around slow or missing deliveries and difficulty getting refunds when items don't arrive. Whether Modern Roselle fits that pattern specifically is something worth verifying directly rather than assuming, and the tools to do that aren't complicated. A quick while lookup shows how old the domain actually is. Searching the store's name plus Trustpilot shows whether real customer reviews exist outside the site's own control, and checking whether the return policy addresses non-delivery specifically, not just unwanted items, tells you how much protection you actually have. Given how much independent attention this store has already drawn without a clear, verifiable answer emerging, I don't think there's enough solid evidence here to confidently call Modern Roselle either safe or risky. My honest recommendation is to do those few specific checks yourself before ordering. Keep any first purchase small, and pay with a credit card so you have a real path to a chargeback if the order doesn't show up as promised.